कीर्तन दीदी कहाँ गए? फायर दी कीर्तन दीदी। हाँ, थोड़ा कुछ बोलो। हाँ? You can speak something. You are writing many things. So speak. 5 minutes can speak.
What are you going to speak?
About Krishna Nam, Krishna Grit. Here is also 17th, eh?
Huh?
Yes, 17th Janmashtami.
Yes.
Oh, very earlier.
Earlier.
Why didn't you tell to me before?
Oh.
Maybe I will stay here.
We can cancel the ticket.
Yeah.
We didn't know.
Cancel the ticket.
We didn't know.
Huh?
If we had an idea, then for sure we would.
Okay.
Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnanandam Sarvakaya Krishna Krishna Shashita Bhaktaya Today we are very fortunate because Saul has come. And when Saul comes, everybody, the symptom of the Saul when he comes is because everybody automatically remembers Krishna, automatically everybody chants the holy names. When you see a Sadhu Vaishnava, you chant the holy name automatically. Then, by good fortune, we come in the presence of such a personality who help us to be free of our anarthas and go further in spiritual life. We just celebrated some very nice festivals. 3 days ago, we celebrated Baladev Purnima, and then we were speaking so much about Shri Guru Tattva, how Baladev Prabhu is Akanda Guru Tattva, and how he comes in very, very different forms to help his disciples, Gurudev. As Nityananda Prabhu saying to everybody, oh, everybody without any inhibition, you chant the holy name, you chant, and I will take care of you if you follow, chant the holy names. As Nityananda Prabhu, by his glance, is giving mercy. He's so merciful. Then we have no mercy for ourselves because we are always going in the wrong way. But by his glance, Nityananda Prabhu is distributing mercy for us. And then, in the same form, this is the manifestation of Shri Guru. He always giving mercy, and then telling to us, remember us, what is the real goal of our life. Because we know many things, but our actions are contradictory of, or you read something, you try to practice something, but the mind always is making tricky, bringing us, it's like a chancel, when
Restless.
very restless, and then in this situation we always become stuck in material life and never progress. Then what happened? Shri Guru comes, Vaishnava comes, and then Vaishnava always giving strange, giving not only remembrance by the words, but his words come. I'm sorry. But his words come inside and can destroy many undesirable desires we have in the heart, in the covering all self. And then this is the good fortune. I'm always feeling very fortunate when I am in front of sadhus, especially Shripada Maharaj, because always he giving so much mercy. He's so merciful to me because I am very stupid, and then he always give me some service to purify myself and to improve my spiritual life. I'm sorry for you don't understand me, but I always pray to the Gurudev, the Vaishnavas, to keep me near serving. I was on developing this service tendency. This is necessary for me. I really hope this in my life.
कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमः तप्ताविहीनाम् अपराधवक्षम् क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pada Padma, Nitya Leela Prishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satsi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Leela Prishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satsimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Leela Prishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satsimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Prasthidhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Goswami Goswami. So just I want to only few words. As with tiredness coming, is it true? Because long flight. Also we took rest and prasad in Radhika's house. But traveling also again 2 hours. Okay, so just remember in Brazil 10 days I also gave Srimad Bhagavatam only 2 slokas. First slok Janmadasya Jata Anyadi Tarasya Dislok, and another slok 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam Jati Jananivasa this. And 10 days evening, every day we discuss about the glories of Rupa Goswami. Then few days we also discuss about Baladev Tattva, Baladev Punim, Jhulan Yatra, many things also, Raksha Bandhan. Because Western people, very few they know about the meaning of Raksha Bandhan. So I am looking if anybody had no, and also Raksha Bandhan, the thread. But India, you will go, everybody, every market completely full of selling their, what is called? Rakhi, yes. Anyhow, so I also explained this, what is meaning of the Raksha Bandhan. And this Raksha Bandhan not only what is called traditional or what is called? Culture. This is also in Bhavishyat Purana mentioned also. You will read Bhavishyat Purana, also mention about Indian, this Bharatiya Sabbhata Sanskriti. So, meaning of the Raksha Bandhan. Raksha means what is called protection. Or Bandhan means bind. So, this katha I also one day I also explain what is this. Some people they are thinking this is, what is called?
Tradition.
Custom. Superstition.
What is called? Fanatic something. This is meaningless.
Superstition.
Superstition and these are things. But this is not. In our Vyasdev has written in Brihad Puran about these things. So, but now I want to speak about Krishna Tattva. Krishna Janmashtami is coming and very beautiful, and you also celebrate very nicely Baladev Punim, and this is very important. Baladev Prabhu is our original Guru, Guru Tattva. Actual original Guru Krishna. Krishnam Bande Jagat Guru. And Krishna is called the Jagat Guru, universal Guru. And but Baladev Prabhu, he is also non-different from Krishna. And Ekoi Sarup Varna Kai Matra Bhed. Understand? Ekoi Sarup, there are no different Krishna and Balaram. And one form that's divided and manifested in two forms. That is called Kai and Varna. Kai means body and Varna means complexion. Krishna is called blackish complexion. Navanirada Nindita Kanti Dharam. Prabhu Goswami Pad glorifies about Krishna's beauty and his complexion. Krishna's beauty defeated the beauty of ever fresh rain cloud. So again, Navanirada Nindita Kanti Dharam Rasasagara Nagara. Just a forget. There is the explanation. Rupa Goswami Pad glorifies about Krishna's complexion. Or Baladev Prabhu complexion. What the complexion Baladev Prabhu? Fresh complexion. Gora, very nice, beautiful. Or Krishna, mostly a Krishna, he keeps the flute and peacock feather. Or Baladev Prabhu, he keeps the singa. Singa means horn. And also he keeps the hall and musul also. And plow and plow. This way. So Baladev Tattva, you heard many things, many sannyasis, many brahmacharis, and also all were expert more than me. You spoke very nicely. And so I will not speak more than this. So just I also remember how is Baladev Prabhu non-different from Krishna. And Baladev Prabhu also manifested from Krishna also. Yes, in Golok Vrindavan, and when Krishna is thinking, I am alone, Eko Aham, Upanishad explained, Krishna is thinking, I am alone, Eko Aham. But Bahusami, I want to manifest many forms, because I want to perform many lives. These types of desires coming in the heart of Krishna. Understand? Krishna is thinking, I do this lila. So Krishna, once in Krishna is standing in Golok Vrindavan, transcendental wall of Rakita Vrindavan, on the bank of Jumuna, under the banyan tree. And then Krishna is thinking, how will perform this lila? Just Krishna, these types of desires coming, ichha coming. Then in Krishna's one potency, that is called ichha sakti. Desires potency. Because Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. What is any desires coming? Then all their saktis, potency, they are servant. They are very eager to serve to Krishna. Krishna unlimited Sakti and Ananta Sakti. And sometimes Shastra also says chastisement to the impartialist, because impartialist they are saying and Brahma has no Sakti. Brahma Nirakar, Nirvises, Nisakti, especially impartialist Shankar philosophers, they are saying Brahma has no potential. But this is not true. And Vedas, Upanishad, everywhere explain Brahma has innumerable potential. Brahma sabde mukharte kahe Bhagavan, Chaitanya Charitamrita. The original meaning of Brahma means Krishna. And Krishna Brahma, he has innumerable potential also. And so now coming in this Krishna's innumerable potential, one potential that is called Ichha Shakti. And this even in our Baddha Dasa also. And first we'll do anything, then first coming is what? Desires. Desires coming. And then you do anything, then you perform your duties. Without desires, you cannot do anything. So Krishna's desires coming, I will do lila. And I will enjoy different kind of things. Then Ichha Shakti, she arranged for Krishna's this. Then Krishna's right hand start to shake. And then on very nice, beautiful form, Baladev Prabhu manifested. A different kalpa also explained, kalpa Vedis Harikatha, another kalpa Sadasiv manifested, or Gopeshwar Mahadev manifested. And then again Krishna's left hand start to shake, and then very nice, beautiful, handsome, tender, aged young girl, she manifested. And she he also turned her face toward Krishna and intoxicated Krishna's heart and mind with her sidelong romantic glance. Romantic sidelong glance. Then Krishna, though he is called Atmaram Aptakam, self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires. Then Krishna completely absorbed in, intoxicated and with her beauty and her bhav and activities. Then Krishna he was running behind to her. Then our Goswamis gave his name Anuragena Krishna Dhavati Jasa iti Radha. And Krishna runs behind her with a deep attachment. For this regard, her name is called Radha. Ra means Anurag. Understand? Ra means Anurag, deep attachment. Adha means to run. Then Krishna runs towards her with a deep attachment. For this regard, her name is called Radha. Then Krishna returned back with her on the bank of the Joguna and also tried to enjoy different kinds of amorous pastimes. Though Srimati Radhika fulfilled all the desires of Krishna, but Srimati Radhika is thinking, without many consort, Krishna will not be happy. Bahu kamtan bina nahi rasiro ullas. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Das Kaviraj also explained this. Without many consort, Krishna will be not happy. Then Srimati Radhika, she manifested her many forms. What forms? Many mood of the forms. Bhava Murti. That is Sanskrit word. This is called Bhava Murti. Different forms of the mood manifested. Then many gopis manifested. Even Chandravali, Bhadra, Sebba, then Lalita, Vishakha, that is called Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tarsapaksha, Suhidpaksha, all kinds of gopis, they manifested. And then Krishna performed sweet lila on the bank of Joguna. That is called the Rasa Lila. Because Krishna's topmost lila, that is called Rasa Lila. All lilas actual manifested from Rasa Lila. Without Rasa Lila, there are no meaning of others lila. Janmadasya Jatanyadi Tarasya Vidmasus. So this sloka was also Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained. Janma Adi Rasa. Adi Rasa means Singaras, conjugal mode. All rasas, Santa, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsala and Madhurya. And 5 primary melodious rasas are 7 secondary types of melodies. Hasya, Udbhut, Karun, Veer, Vivotsa, this. The source of all kinds of rasas, that is called Sringaras. As Sringaras is Bhavamurti, the embodiment of Sringaras, that is called Srimati Radhika. Mahabhavati Srimati Radhika, Mahabhav. Then all rasas manifested. And in transcendental Golok Vrindavan, all their, what is called Murti. Murti means forms are there. And all these are to Srimati Radhika. Then according to Srimati Radhika's order, they manifested many forms and fulfill Krishna's desire. This. So in this way, actually Krishna Tattva, in this way explained. And Baladev Prabhu, duty is what? To serve to Krishna. Though Krishna, Baladev Prabhu, he is called Vishavigraha. Krishna, he is called Vishavigraha. Vishavigraha means the object of divine love. And he is the supreme enjoyer. So Baladev Prabhu also same Vishavigraha. But his mood always servitual mood. And Muitar Das. Baladev Prabhu always thinking, I am the servant of Krishna. So why? Baladev Prabhu is thinking, Krishna is Bhagavan. But how to serve to Lord? How to serve to Lord? Who knows to serve to Lord? So Baladev Prabhu, he is acting this role of Guru. Guru means his word. Guru not means that is the body or form it is, only not this. Guru means the embodiment of servitual mood. Seva Bhava Murti. Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada wrote one this way. Guru means who is the embodiment of Seva Vritti. Samajh mein aa raha hai? Do you understand? You understand now? Guru means this way, to subject expressing sentiments, different ways how to serve to Krishna. This is the thing. Same Krishna manifested in the form of Baladev Prabhu and showing how to serve to Krishna. So Srimad Bhagavatam Puranams also explain Krishna, Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna with many ways, but especially 10 ways Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna. Dasavidha Seva. Asana, Vasan, Dham, and Paduka, even Krishna's sacred thread, that is called Upavit. Who is he? Baladev Prabhu himself. Even Krishna's bed, Shajja. Who is he? Baladev Prabhu himself. And even Krishna's shoes, Baladev Prabhu himself. And even all the dhamas, Baladev Prabhu himself. And so for this regard, first Baladev Prabhu, he appears in the womb of Devaki, then Krishna, he comes. And Dasame dasanam asraya lokchitam. In this Dasam Skanda Srimad Bhagavatam, discourses this Asraya Tattva, Dhamma Tattva Katha. Siddhartha Swami Pad, and in his commentary also explained. So first Baladev Prabhu, he comes and he makes the platform for Krishna. So you must have heard about Baladev Tattva. Devaki's 6 sons, they came, that is called the Sadgarbha. Marichi's 6 sons, they cursed by Brahma, and they have to kill by his father, Kalnemi. So for this regard, the 6 sons of Devakis, they also killed by Kamsa. Actually, Kamsa previous life, he was Kalnemi. Narada himself told to Kamsa, Kamsa, do you know who are you? Your previous life, you were Kalnemi. And Krishna also are Krishna's 8 Oms, Vishnu, he will be killed to you. Vishnu is, he will be your, what is called,
Cause of death.
cause of death and killer. In this way. So Kamsa, he knows these things. And Vishnu, he is my, what is called? Cause of my death. This lila is going on this way. Actual significance is that sadhak also this is in our heart 6 types of what is called anarthas in our heart. Lust, kam, krodh, lobh, moh, moth and mascharya. This is the significance of Shadgarbha. In our heart, last, anger, how possible Suddha Bhakti Krishna will be appear. So anyhow, Krishna arranged to kill or these 6 anarthas, unwanted things. This is the significance. Another things, then Devaki, she also again pregnant, 7th womb, then also preaching of Baladev, what is called? And Devaki is called miscarriage. Actually not a miscarriage. Yogamaya, actually Baladev Prabhu appears in the womb of Devaki, and then for the Krishna's Leela, then Yogamaya took to Baladev Prabhu from the womb of Devaki and placed on the womb of Rahini Devi. And for this regard, Baladev Prabhu's one name is called Sankarshan and Akarshan. Yogamaya arranged and placed on the womb of Rahini Devi. And so now coming in this way, Baladev Tattva I actually explained this way. And because Baladev Prabhu, he makes the platform dham. Then Krishna, he appears in the womb of Devaki and Ashtam Garbha and 8th womb of Devaki. Then Krishna has come. And because always Baladev Prabhu in this way serves. Why I am saying this? Because how Krishna appears in our heart. And Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Vajanakriya, Anarthri, Nishtha, Ruchi, then Asakti, then Bhav and Prem. 8th stage, then Bhav or Prem. And Shraddha, at the 8th womb of Devaki means is what? Bhav or Prem. Understand? Because Krishna, he is called the embodiment of Prema. Prema is Sarup Krishna. And so how Krishna will appear in our heart? And when sadhak, parma, bhajan and sadhan, all anarthas, 8, what is called this, kam, krodha, last anger will be removed, then platform will come. And then Baladev Prabhu, that means Guru Pad Padma, will give that the seed of bhakti, bhakti lata, bij, that is called Shraddha. ब्रह्मांड भ्रमित कोनो भाग्यवान जीव गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पाय भक्ति लता बीज माली हुइया से बीज करे आरोपण श्रवण कीर्तन जले करह सेचन चैतन्य चरितामृत. Perfect bhajan and sadhan, chanting holy names, when our heart will completely free from all kinds of anarthas, then bhakti lata bij will manifest in our heart. That is called Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, then Bhav or Prem. Then Krishna will come. This is the process. And so there are many meanings about Krishna, why has he come in the womb of Devaki. This is what is there. When in 8th womb of Devaki, why Krishna has come?
As the 8th son.
At the 8th womb of the Devaki. Ashtam Garbha में आने के कारण क्या था? What is the significance in our sadhuk life? This is also. Because always you can compare with sadhak and also lila. Lila everybody knows. Here Krishna appears in the womb of Devaki, in the jail of Kamsa. But what is the significance in our sadhak stage? This is important. ये श्रद्धा, साधुसंग, भजन क्रिया, अनर्थ निवृत्ति, निष्ठा, रुचि, आसक्ति, भाव और प्रेम. This is right. So Krishna Lila and Baladev Prabhu Lila simultaneously going on. Without Krishna, without Baladev, there is no Krishna, or without Krishna, there is no Baladev. Okay. Which means is what? Without Guru Padma, we cannot understand about Krishna. Or without mercy of Krishna, we cannot understand about also Guru. And this is also very nice. How we know about Guru? And what is sloka is very nice. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Krishna यदि कृपा करें कोनो भाग्यवाने गुरु अंतर्जामी रूपे सिखाए अपन. This is contradictory and another words is gone. And if you receive the mercy of Krishna, then you will understand our Guru Tattva. This another thing. Because here Krishna Das करें. कृष्ण यदि कृपा करें कोनो भाग्यवाने गुरु अंतर्जामी रूपे सिखाए अपन. So that means first need how to receive the mercy of Krishna. And another verse we say, without the mercy of Krishna, without this mercy of Gurudev, we cannot understand about Krishna Tattva. So which Tattva is first? First we receive the mercy of Krishna, or first we receive the mercy of Guru? Sometimes also this contradictory, you can confuse this way. Here he is saying very clearly, Krishna यदि कृपा करें कोनो भाग्यवान, and one who is very fortunate, he will receive the mercy of Krishna. Then by the causeless mercy of Krishna, then Chaitanya Guru who resides in our heart, then you understand. Otherwise not. Or another verse you say, without Guru's mercy, we cannot understand Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Lila simultaneously said. Understand? Mahaprabhu told, one great high-class devotee, and Uttam Mahabhagavat has come in our village. So everybody go to find out. And Mahaprabhu described about to him. House to house, who has come? They could not find out. Then Mahaprabhu himself took all his devotees, and direct Mahaprabhu came in the house of Nandan Acharya. And that time Nityananda Prabhu was sitting. Everybody they are searching, but they could not find out. Why cannot find out? But without Krishna's mercy, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, how we should understand about Nityananda Prabhu Guru Tattva? This is true. Then Nityananda Prabhu and Gaur Sundar meet together. This is called Gaur Nityananda Milan. We have discussed this in Nandanacharya. Or another also, without Guru's mercy, we can understand about Krishna Tattva. Shastra saying, Patamantu Guru Pujyam Tataschaiva Mamarchanam. Krishna says, Patamantu Guru Pujyam. First you worship your Guru and then worship to me. Krishna says this. Because without Guru's mercy, no one can realize to me. So our Shastra is saying in this way, different ways. So now coming in this way, Baladev Prabhu is called Guru Tattva. And Baladev Prabhu, he serves a different way to Krishna. And showing to us how to serve to Krishna also. Baladev Prabhu, he serves not only physically also, and also different sentiments, bhav, seva. Dasya, Sakha, Vatsalya, even Madhurya mode, Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna. Sakha bhav, Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna, heading to the cows, this way. Dasya bhav, Baladev Prabhu serves to Krishna, massaging his feet, different ways. Vatsalya bhav, Baladev Prabhu is so much and parental mood with Krishna, serving to him also. Our Madhurya mood, Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna also. That's the mood of Ananga Manjari's mood in there. This form is there also. Even Baladev Prabhu serves to Srimati Radhika in this way. Then this is very confidential things also. This is Ras Madhurya. Because conditional soul, they want to realize his material brain getting things. This is not possible. How Baladev Prabhu, his male form and he serves to Srimati Radhika. And, but in transcendental world, and when their desires come, then Jogmaya arranges how to serve to Srimati Radhika. Even Mahaprabhu's Leela also, Nityananda Prabhu, he serves to Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the mood of Ananga Manjari. And Chaitanya Charitamritam explained when Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. I am Radha, now we are meeting with my beloved Krishna. Jagannath, Mahaprabhu dancing and singing. When Mahaprabhu dancing and singing, and whole world completely start to sing. And Mahaprabhu sometimes rolling down on the ground. So no one can hold to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And that time Baladev Prabhu, Nityananda Prabhu absorbed in the mood of Ananga Manjari. Then that time Nityananda Prabhu, he holds Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because male person cannot touch Srimati Radhika. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am Radha. So how possible Nityananda Prabhu, he will be whole. So that time Nityananda Prabhu also absorbed in the mood of Ananga Manjari. So now coming this way, Krishna is very merciful. Anugrahaya bhaktanang manusam devamasritam. Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukdev Goswami Pada told, Krishna's, this Leela is going on transcendental world. That's called Golok Vrindavan. Because Krishna, he is called Rasika. Rasik means who is relishing the melodies. So Rasik Sekhar Krishna. And always relishing all these kinds of rasas in Golok Vrindavan. And Santa Dasa, Sakha, Vasula and Madhusha. And all kinds of their servitors, they always servicing to Krishna. That is called Anandamaya Dham. Vedas also explain, Vedanta Sutra also, and Ananda Abhyasa, Anandamaya Abhyasad, Anandamaya Abhyasa. Vedanta Sutra also. And Anandamaya Bhagavan is there. And so Krishna is the embodiment of bliss. And he is relishing with his own parikar, internal associates. Antaranga parikar. There are no Baddha Jivas, nothing is there. And that is called Nitya Rasas, they are relishing. And but Srimati Radhika, she is very merciful. Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, oh, in this material world, conditional soul, they have no idea about the transcendental ras, transcendental melodies. Conditional soul, they know material melodies. Jadaras. Jadaras book. You understand this? And so Srimati Radhika is thinking, if Krishna Leela will manifest in material world, then if they will listen, or if they direct see, or glorify, they will get benefit. Srimati Radhika is thinking this. Then Krishna's same potency, Krishna is thinking this is true. Then Yogamaya arranged how Krishna Leela will manifest in this material world. So Sukdev Goswami Pad explained this in Srimad Bhagavatam, Anugrahaya Bhaktanam Manusim Devamasrita. Krishna manifested this Leela from Golok Vrindavan, this material world. Actually, all dham, everything is all Leela manifested. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kari Swaparsada Siya Dham Saha Avatari. Very difficult to understand. But how is it coming this way? Where the Yogamaya see arranged? As like cricket match or going on, Australia or here you can see. Just to give an example. In your TV you can watch. In the same way Golok Leela, same Leela is going on there. Radha Krishna's all pastimes are going on there. Transcendental. And Yogamaya simultaneously also manifested in this material. All his dham, everything. This lila is going on this. So saying, Anugrahaya bhaktanang manusam devamasritam jasutva tatpuru bhavit. If you listen this katha, Krishna katha, or if you see Krishna's prakat lila, when Krishna lila is going on, and even they also see this lila. And one who glorifies Krishna katha, all they will get benefit. And they will be very easy to deliver from this material. For this regard, Krishna's lila manifest in this material. So Parikshit Maharaj asked many questions. Why Krishna performed this lila in this material? Actually, this lila is going on, all these leelas, Krishna's lila is going on, Golok Vrindavan. But something is confidential. Krishna, two kinds of lila, I tell to you. One is called Nitya lila, or another is called Noimittik lila. Kya bola? What did he say?
Krishna's got two types of lila. One is called Nitya lila, eternal lila, and another one Naimittik lila.
Noimittik lila, occasional lila. Nitya lila is going on there. Nitya lila, what? That lila? That is called Krishna's sweet pastime, Rasa lila, that is called Nitya lila. Because I told, Krishna's all kinds of lila coming from Krishna's Nitya lila. Rasa lila is Sarvottam lila, topmost lila. Janmadasya jata anadi. So, Adi Ras, that is Singar Ras, that is in there. Then Jogmaya Siya, Nitya lila is going on. And Noimittik lila, that is called occasional lila. What is that? That in Golok Vrindavan, transcendental world Golok Vrindavan, there is no Krishna's Janma lila. Krishna does not take birth from the womb of mother Yashoda. This is going on. But also this lila is going on. How is this lila going on? If they are not that, why this lila manifest in this material world? So our Goswami, Jiv Goswami Pad, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Sridhar Swami Pad, very nicely explained in their commentary. In the transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, Krishna Janma lila. Janma lila, understand? Krishna takes birth from Mother Yashoda. There is no lila. But when Krishna performs this lila in this material world, Dhomo Vrindavan, that time we can see that Krishna, he takes birth from womb of Mother Yashoda, but in that transcendental world, the Prakat Vrindavan, they again use this Sanskrit word, Prakat Vrindavan and Aprakat Vrindavan, manifested and unmanifested Vrindavan. In Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, there is no Krishna's Janma lila. There are no killing any demons, no Asur Maran lila. Because who will take part the role of demon? There is not. There is no Kangsa, no Putana Vadali. No Putana. This way. So, if not there Putana Vadalila, so how possible in this material world manifested Putana Vadalila will come? So, as you was saying, there is also this Putana Vadalila and others Leelas killing the demon. That Leela is there. It's called one kind of mood, that's called Bhava Matra. But what is that Bhava? Do you understand? No understand. Do you understand? Who understands? What do you understand?
That the pastimes that we see here of Krishna taking birth and going to Mathura, also the demons being killed, they happen here to allow us to see these things. But in a spiritual world, they're not happening outside, external, but there's one mood. Oh, Krishna is killing demons, Krishna is going to Mathura, Krishna is taking birth.
This coming in the point, here, because we discussed these things, Vishwanath Chakravarti explained, all this lila in there. First we sing, all this lila is going in there. If that is given, is cricket match is going on Australia.
Or your class going on here and people watching.
They also broadcast. Then you can watch the TV. The simple way I given. If there not one person is the bowling, understand? So how possible to see if they are there? Because all these things is going on there, and just they also relay which is called broadcast.
Transmit.
Transmit. In the same way, we also explain all the Krishna's Leelas in going on Golok Vrindavan, Aprakat Golok Vrindavan. Leela is going on. And then Krishna Jogmaya, all the Leelas also again he here manifested. You understand this? So now question is coming, in Golok Vrindavan there are no Asur Maran Leela. Here again we will explain this way. Krishna does not kill any demons. But here Prakat Leela, Krishna he kills many demons. In Prakat Vrindavan, this is Bhoma Vrindavan, understand? Here Krishna takes birth from the Oma Mother Jashoda. These things. But again saying this in the Prakat Golok Vrindavan, and Krishna does not take birth from the Oma Mother Jashoda. Contradictory coming. This one. Little bit needs some, what is called?
Intelligence.
Intelligence. Very difficult to understand, but you understand. If you understand only sadhana and bhajan, just listen. Because this is not my commentary. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and also Jiva Goswami Pad explaining this. So how this Leela is going on there? Which Leela is not there? How possible Leela is here? Because first we say, they all Leelas Krishna manifested in this material world. What is going on? So for this Vishwanath Chakravarti and Jiva Goswami Pad explain two kinds of Leela. Krishna's Nitya Leela and Krishna's Noimittik Leela. Nitya Leela mainly, that's called Rasa Leela. Krishna's Rasa Leela. Jiva Goswami Pad mentioned Krishna's Nitya Leela, Rasa Leela is going on there. And some Leela is also going, some Leela is not going. Just a given example, Krishna does not take birth from the womb of Mother Jashoda in Aprakat Golok Vrindavan. So here is what is it doing? This is Noimittik Leela. So how this Leela is going on? So Jogmaya she arranged one kind of mood, bhav coming. But what is that bhav? This is very confidential. According to your mood, according to your sadhana bhajan, understand. Because transcendental things, everything cannot explain according in our speech, according to our material words, we cannot explain. And these things you can realize only your bhajan and sadhana. Bhav this is there. In this material world, sometimes we also absorb in some mood. Just give an example. If you watch the ghost film, you understand? Ghost film. Ghost film.
Horror movie. Horror movie.
What is that?
Horror.
When you sleep, whole night you also same person is coming. And disturb you. Oh. And you are thinking you are in there also. Sometimes you are watching this thing. This thing. And you complete your excitement in there. This thing. That is called his word. Bhavukam. That's giving this example. Though this example is not perfect, but just giving what is the bhavukam. Even when you wake up and same couple minutes or couple minute, also same your mind is coming. Stop. This thing. Same what is called ghost or some, I don't know. Or and using anything. If it's not load setting, no light, you are thinking that ghost in front of you. It's true, this thing. You are thinking about same figure in front of you. Who at you last night watch the TV, ghost, you are thinking, oh, same person is coming to me. And also, you are afraid. Chasing. Actually, no figure, nothing. Because this is called also bhava, sentiments. This is called material sentiments. Because you observe and your mind completely absorbing this. In the same way, transcendental world, there are no figure of Kamsa, there are no figure of Putana, no demons in there. These are the things. So that is called Bhavamatra. And this Leela is going on this way. Mother Jashoda, she thinks, today I gave birth my baby Krishna. Janma Mahotsav is going on there. Jogmaya, she arranged in this way different what is called? Apartment. Understand? And this Leela is going on. One apartment, Mother Jashoda, she gives birth of Krishna. Look like this. This bhav is going on. Another Krishna Leela is going on, and Nanda Maharaj is giving so much donation in this way. Different way. Jogmaya, she arranged this Leela. So Jiva Goswami Pad explained some Naimitya Leela, some Leela that is called Bhava Matra. Understand? Not understand. But understand. Because you don't understand according your own intelligent brain. Nayang atma pravachana labbo no medhaya no bahuna srutino jame boise pranute tino labbo tasisa atma vibrunute tanusa. Upanishad very clearly explains this. These things will be understand when Krishna mercifully manifest in your heart. You can understand. Just listen. This is called sadhana. Yeah, how this bhav is going. Many people when I speak this katha, and always they are asking, how possible? How? Dog makes how. And stop the question. How? You know how understand? Dog always says, how? Are don't make question to me. How? Sometimes joking with that devotee to make the question, how? Everything right. You ever Babaji Maharaj chastised Vijay Kumar Brajanath. Don't try to understand these things. Some things you will realize according to your sadhana and bhajan. Everything cannot understand according to your intelligence. Buddhi ki tarah nayang sukha nayang atma pravachano labbo no bahuna sutana jame boise brunte teno labbo tasis atma viprunite tunusham. When Lord mercifully manifested in your heart, then you understand. Just listen and do bhajan, chant holy names and take Mahaprasad. Sri Swami Maharaj always say, chant holy names and take Mahaprasad. In the beginning you will do this. This is enough. Because chant holy names and Mahaprasad getting Sukriti, you don't understand. I don't ask how much. So now Naimitya, so Krishna, two kinds of Leela in Golok Vrindavan, Aprakat Golok Vrindavan. What is that? Nitya Leela and Naimitya Leela. But when Krishna manifests in this material world, that is called Prakat Leela. That time all Krishna's Leela is going on there. Krishna killed many demons, Putana, Aghasur, Bakasur, many demons came. And there are many significance also there. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Chaitanya Shikshamrita Grantha explain what is the meaning to killing the demons. Understand this way. That is significance. And Gaura Gopinda Maharaj explained the three things. That is called, what are the three things? Leela Tatparya, and Tattva Darshan, Leela Tatparya. He explained this Sanskrit word 3 years. Tattva Darshan. And what is the philosophy? Tattva Darshan. Tattva means what is the activities of this Leela. And Leela Tatparya, what is the significance about the Leela? First Tattva, what is the Tattva? Philosophy. And inside the philosophy, what there things we should analyze. One day I told, Science also discusses. Science discourses 4 things. One day I told. What is that? Could you remember? You forgot? Before
Did you speak here?
Huh?
Maybe you spoke in Brazil.
No? Not really spoken.
Yeah. Hypotheses.
Huh?
Hypotheses. Idea. Experiment.
First, then. Huh? That is called observe, to observe. Second, that is called analyzed. And third, experiment. And fourth, that is called conclusion. In the same or spiritual science also discourses the 4 things. You understand these things? It's very important. Because spiritual science and material science simultaneously going on. But spiritual science discourses more than the material science. Material science just stopped in the Prakriti. Do you understand? After Prakriti, then spiritual science discourses. So Srimad Bhagavad Gita Krishna Ashtavidha Prakriti. 8 types of Prakriti. Understand these things? Then after 8 types of Prakriti, then spiritual things we discuss. That's called Brahmalok, then Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, Golok, Vrindavan. And these things. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, everything is explained in there. Ashtavidha Prakriti. So now coming in this way, the 4 things we discuss. And even our Jiva Goswami Pad also explained. Ekameva Paramatattam Sahavika Jinta Sakta Sarupata Dhruva Jiva Prada Pradana Rupena Chaturtha Avatishtate. Surja Mandala Tat Rasmi Pratichavi. Explain this way. 4 things also. Jiva Goswami Pad also explain in Achinta Vedave Tata Siddhanta 4 things. Krishna is one, but he manifested in 4 forms. Ekameva Paramatattam Sahavika Achinta Sakta Sarupa Tadrupa Vaiva Jiva Pradhana Rupena Surja Jatha Surja Mandal Tat Rasmi Pratichavi. 4 examples here. You understand? Because science and spiritual science simultaneously going on. Because nowadays people, they want to know about according to their knowledge. Because all they are thinking, I am intelligent. I am not a backward person. I know everything. I manifested many things. Robot, everything. Robot understand? Robot. Everything.